Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today I'm going to show you guys how we are going to make these adorable Mommy and Me matching t-shirts. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so first up, let's go ahead and start with the SVG bundle that I'm using for today's project. So this is the Mommy and Me bundle volume 1. It comes with over 40 designs, and currently right now it's on sale for $2.50. You guys cannot beat this. There is a ton of SVGs, and it's not only mom, there's dad designs in here as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and upload this to Cricut Design Space, cut it out, and let's make some shirts. All right, so let's go ahead and start with the sublimation first. So I've got this little onesie here. This is 100% polyester. So let's go ahead and head on over to the heat press so we can pre-press this and lint roll. All right, so now that we're over here at the heat press, today I'm going to be using my Cricut pad. This is the smaller one. I think it's like 8 by 10. But if you have pressing pillows, definitely feel free to use that when you're using onesies. So with the onesies, you definitely want to get it off of the seam, so that way this will kind of sink down in there, those seams, and it'll just help press it. So I actually have it in this direction, and I'm going to get this right up here like so. Just like that. I'm going to go ahead and pre-press for just a few seconds. All right. Now be mindful whenever you're working with these onesies, these little buttons will get hot, and I have burnt myself in the past. So be mindful for any metal. I'm going to go ahead and lint roll. All right. Just like so. And now we're ready to get our design on here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some heat resistant tape, and we're just going to line this right up. Take my heat resistant tape, and I'm going to go ahead and cover this up with a couple pieces of parchment paper. And now we're going to go down for 60 seconds. All right, we're going to pop it up. I'm going to go ahead and move these, and we're ready to peel. Just like that. All right, so let's go ahead and take it back to the table. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and let this cool down for just a second. What's nice about having granite tops is I can just kind of quickly cool this down. Once again, when you pull this off, you want to be mindful for these little tiny buttons here, because like I said, I have burnt myself and I had a little round circle on my hand for quite a bit. So here it is. Look at how nice that is. So I love working with sublimation a lot of the times because I don't have to weed all this out. So that makes it a lot easier and a lot quicker to produce something. I'm able to send it on over to my software, print it out, and it's ready to go. You can't feel anything, especially for the babies. You're not going to have to worry about that rough vinyl, you know, on their arms or stomach or anything like that. So how cute is this? All right, so I'm going to go ahead and bring my temperature back down for this, and I'm just going to bring it down to around 312. All right, so we're going to scoot this over, and we're going to get ready for our t-shirt. So I'm going to go ahead and get this out. Now you want to go ahead and pre-press your t-shirt, so I'm going to go ahead and do that now. All right, so I've pre-pressed and lint rolled the t-shirt. So next up is I'm going to go ahead and use that print and cut ruler here and line that up and find my center. Get it straight across. Another way that you can use these rulers is kind of get them right up against the top of the neckline. I'm going to go ahead and fold my design in half, get that little crease, figure out my center there. Looks good. And we're ready to press our t-shirt. All right, so let's go ahead and load our t-shirt on the press. Just going to get it up here. Just like so. And we're going to press it for 10 seconds. All right, and now that's a hot peel, which I think it pretty much peeled itself. So I'm going to peel that right up. Looks good, so let's take it back to the table. And there you have it. How super cute is this? So we have one with HTV and one with sublimation, and they match so cute. So you have the swapped colors. So this is just one out of 40. So this is just one set out of all of those that you're gonna get. Super cute bundle, super affordable. I love it. And don't forget to check out the print and cut ruler as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next one.